Getting nice and close. Uh-oh.
Stop it. It's smoking. Oh dear.
This thing's ready to blow. How is it doing that?
I don't know. That's absurd.
It's a weird shape. I don't get what it's doing exactly.
It didn't even make much smoke. I mean, there's a little bit, but wait, where's that smoke
Barely.
coming from?
It barely even burned the match. Look at the match. Did he even light the match?
I don't think so.
But yeah, it's probably hot.
It's warm, but it's not that hot.
It looks like it's smoking.
Yeah, I mean it's hot, but hold on.
Oh
It
man.
burned up there.
Yeah, it's definitely starting to melt the glass. But yeah, that wasn't touching any of the flammable stuff down there. It was just like this thing sort of coming down from the top, as if the top itself was what was causing it to do that. It's pretty weird. Oh yeah. Holy crap.
That's good.
Hungry. That's all flames. Is there anything flammable in there?
Silly buddy.
Oh, Jesus. That's enough of that. You know how much smoke's gonna come out of here?
A bit.
Oh my god.
The thing is all like, it's cloudy. Completely clouded over.
Open it up.
Hold on, where are the gloves?
Need the other one?
Yeah. Look, there's smoke coming out that little hole.
Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Oh,
Jesus.
man.
Hold on.